I remove the side panel next to the piston and then remove the connected pin by tapping it in. After removing the piston, the first thing I do is clean the gaps between the piston rings. I used gasoline to clean it, just gasoline, just. And also sandpaper. As you can see, the piston is perfectly clean. And we brought this original piston back to life. I am applying oil here to help the piston rings move more smoothly. Now it's time to clean all the dirt from the chainsaw. I am cleaning it with a brush and gasoline. I also clean it the crankcase. I will clean and disassemble the carburetor and cylinder. I will replace all the gaskets. I also clean the dirt inside the carburetor. And it took me quite a while to replace the rodent oils. I am installing the carburetor after replacing all the gaskets. I am installing the carburetor after replacing all the gaskets.